What if I told you that you could dominate your industry without spending a single dollar on ads? Sounds impossible, right? Well, Tesla has done exactly that. $0 spent on traditional advertising, yet everyone knows their name. In today's video, I'm going to break down how Tesla achieved this and how it can use these same strategies to dominate your market, grow your business, and become unforgettable in your space. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to turn your product or service into a movement. And if you want to dive even deeper, make sure you grab my ebook, A, at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. Look, Tesla doesn't buy flashy ads because they don't need to. They understand that their product is the ad. Every single Tesla you see on the road is a sleek, futuristic rolling billboard. The design, the tech, the innovation. It all screams, look at me. Look at what's possible. People aren't just buying a car. They're buying into an idea, an experience. And that's powerful. Think about it. What's sexier than a Tesla pulling up next to you at a stoplight? It makes you feel something. That's what you want your product or service to do. You want it to evoke emotion, to make people stop and take notice. Your product should speak for itself. It should be so good, so innovative, so damn cool that people can't help but talk about it. That's the kind of word of mouth marketing you can't buy. It has to be earned. Your product is everything. It's the foundation on which everything else is built. If your product sucks, no amount of marketing will save you. But if your product is amazing, it will practically market itself. People are naturally drawn to things that are well made, things that solve their problem. So focus on perfecting your product. Ask yourself, is this so good that people can't help but talk about it? If not, you've got work to do. Get feedback, iterate, and never stop improving. Let's be real, nobody likes being bombarded with ads. People are smart, they can smell BS a mile away. They don't want to be sold to. They want to be spoken to. They want to feel like they're part of something, like they belong. And that's what Tesla understands better than anyone. They don't run ads because they don't have to. Their customers do it for them. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a Tesla commercial on TV? Probably never. But you see Teslas everywhere, right? That's because Tesla has cracked the code on word of mouth marketing. They've created a product and a brand that people are passionate about, a brand that people want to be associated with. Their customers aren't just buying a car, they're buying into a movement. Chapter 4, Authentic Online Presence. Let's talk about Elon Musk for a second. Love him or hate him, you can't deny the guy knows how to build a brand. He's not your typical buttoned-up CEO. He's outspoken, he's opinionated, and he's not afraid to be himself online. And that's what makes him so relatable. People connect with authenticity. They can sniff out a fake from a mile away. Look at his Twitter feed. It's a wild ride, right? He's cracking jokes. He's picking fights. He's even tweeting about his bathroom habits. It's chaotic. It's unpredictable. And it's always entertaining. And guess what? It works. Musk understands that in today's digital age, personality is everything. People want to connect with people, not faceless corporations. They want to see the human side of the brands they support. Chapter 5, Building a Community. You see, Tesla doesn't just sell cars. They sell a vision of the future, a future powered by sustainable energy, driven by innovation, and filled with sleek, sexy machines. And they've managed to build a community of passionate evangelists who believe in that vision. Tesla owners aren't just drivers. They're part of a movement. Owning a Tesla is like joining a tribe of people who are passionate about technology, sustainability, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. There's a sense of pride that comes with owning a Tesla. It's a status symbol, sure, but it's also a badge of honor. It says, I'm part of something bigger than myself. And that sense of belonging is incredibly powerful. It creates loyalty, it drives engagement, and it turns customers into brand advocates. Chapter 6, Spectacular Product Launches. Let's face it, nobody does product launches quite like Tesla. They're not just launching a new car, they're launching an experience. Remember the Cybertruck launch? It was insane. People were losing their minds. Even the window breaking fail became a viral sensation. That's the power of creating a spectacle. Tesla understands that a product launch isn't just about releasing a new product. It's about telling a story. It's about building anticipation, generating excitement, and creating a sense of FOMO so powerful that people are literally lining up to throw their money at you. When was the last time you got excited about a product launch? I'm not talking about just another iPhone release or a new pair of Nikes. I'm talking about a launch that stopped you in your tracks, a launch that made you want to be a part of something new and exciting. That's what Tesla does so brilliantly. Now, let's talk about the Cybertruck window fail for a second. Most companies would have swept that under the rug, pretended it never happened. But Tesla, they owned it. They turned it into a meme, a marketing opportunity, a testament to the truck's supposed toughness. That's right. They took a mistake and turned it into a win. Look, nobody's perfect. We all screw up sometimes. It's part of being human. But it's how you handle those screw ups that really matters. Do you try to hide them, pretend they never happened, or do you own them, learn from them, and use them as an opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level? Tesla gets this. They understand that transparency and authenticity are key to building trust with your audience. Nobody expects you to be perfect. Let me tell you a little secret about human psychology. We want what we can't have. It's called scarcity, and it's one of the most powerful psychological principles in marketing. When something is scarce, it automatically becomes more desirable, more valuable. And Tesla knows how to play this game like a virtuoso. Think about it. When the Model 3 was first announced, people were literally camping out in front of Tesla stores to put down a deposit. They didn't even know the final price, the specs, or the delivery date, but they didn't care. They wanted to be part of the movement. They wanted to be among the first to own the latest and greatest Tesla. That's the power of scarcity. Look, nobody likes a complicated sales process. The more hoops you make your customers jump through, the more likely they are to abandon their carts and go elsewhere. Tesla understands this. They've streamlined their customer journey to make it as simple and seamless as possible. Think about it. You can buy a Tesla online in minutes. No need to haggle with pushy salespeople. No need to navigate a labyrinthine dealership. Just click, click, boom. You're a Tesla owner. That's the power of simplifying the customer journey. Let's be real. The internet is where it's at. It's where your customers are. It's where the conversations are happening. And it's where you need to be if you want to win. And nobody gets this better than Tesla. They've built their entire brand online. From their website to their social media presence to their customer support. Think about it. Elon Musk is practically synonymous with Twitter. He uses it to announce new products, to engage with customers, to troll his haters, and to generally be the most entertaining CEO on the internet. And it works. Tesla understands that in today's digital age, you need to go where your customers are. Now that you've got the blueprint, it's time to take action. Download my ebook at the Ultimate Guide to AI and digitalmarketing.com, packed with tips to grow your business using AI. Don't wait. Get your copy today and start dominating your market. Tesla's story proves you don't need to spin big to win big. With the right strategy, you can achieve success. What's your first move? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up subscribe, and share. You've got what it takes to build something amazing. Now go out there and make it happen.